Hey there, ready to import some reviews from CJdropshipping? It's a breeze! First things first, make sure you've got Wise Reviews installed on your Shopify store. Once you're good to go, jump back to your dashboard. Now, here's the fun part. Importing reviews is super straightforward. Just hit that Import Reviews button, choose the product you're working with, and pop in the URL you want to import from. Once you've done that, click Import and give it a few seconds to work its magic. And that's it. In no time, you're all set. Go check out your Shopify store, and you'll see those shiny new reviews ready to go.